When did you last actually check if your PC was secure? Not assume it was fine, actually check. The FBI received over 859,000 cybercrime complaints in 2024. Losses hit $16 billion. That is a 33% jump in 1 year. These are not big corporations getting hit. These are regular people, people with computers exactly like yours. A cyber attack happens every 39 seconds on average. Your computer does not need to be special to be a target. It just needs to be online. The damage usually happens quietly. No warning, no alarm. A charge on your bank statement weeks later is often the first sign. Over the next few minutes, we break down exactly what is happening, and we show you what to do about it today for free. No software to buy, no technical background needed. Just follow along and your computer will be safer by the end of this video. But first, you need to understand what you are actually up against, and it is more organized than you think. Forget the guy in a hoodie. Today, attacks are automated, organized, and relentless. Ransomware was involved in 44% of all breaches in 2025, up from 32% the year before. Ransomware locks every file on your computer, photos, documents, everything, until you pay. 60% of breaches involve human mistake, like clicking the wrong link or reusing a password. 20% happen because software wasn't updated, even when a fix already existed. The good news? Most risk is controllable. Just stop making it easy for them. Let's look at the specific gaps that exist on most Windows computers right now. Most Windows users have serious security gaps on their computers right now. Let's fix that. First, updates. In 2017, WannaCry hit 200,000 computers because of uninstalled patches. Across 150 countries, the patch existed, but people hadn't installed it. Second, privacy settings. By default, Windows collects your app usage and location. Most people don't know these exist. Check your settings to stay in control. Third, your browser. Phishing scams start up to 95% of all breaches. Sketchy extensions and weak passwords make it easy for harm to get through. Finally, backups. Without one, ransomware means losing everything. Every one of these has a fix, and none take more than 30 minutes total. Here is your complete Windows security checkup. Free, no extra software, and done in minutes. Let's go. Step 1. Windows Update. Open Start. Type Windows Update and install everything, especially updates needing a restart. Step 2. Windows Security. Ensure real-time protection and your firewall are active. Turn on memory integrity too. Step 3. Privacy. In settings, turn off personalized ads, activity history, and optional diagnostics. It's a quick privacy win. Step 4. Your browser. Install uBlock Origin. It blocks the junk and malware-linked ads automatically. Finally, copy vital files to an external drive and unplug it. Unplugged drives stay safe from ransomware. You're all set. Here's the truth. The threat is not getting smaller. Cybercrime is projected to cost the world $23 trillion by 2027. That number keeps climbing every year. 85% of cybersecurity professionals say AI is now being used by attackers to scale up and target regular people faster than ever before. You are not too small to target. 46% of small businesses experienced a cyber attack in 2025. Only 14% said they were prepared. That gap is enormous. The problem is not that people do not care. The problem is that nobody ever showed them what to do. That is what this series is here to fix. That is exactly what carefree computing is built around. Real protection for real people. Clear steps, plain English, no tech degree required. Whether you need a security review, a setup walkthrough, or just want to know if you are actually protected, carefree computing handles exactly that. The steps from today are your foundation. You are already ahead of most people out there running fully exposed systems without knowing it. If this helped you, hit like. Subscribe for the next video on two-factor authentication and account security, and send this to someone who needs it.